Hello, this is Taylor with Fox Pool Management. So the next test we're going to be doing is the alkalinity test. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our test sample here. We're going to be using this big tube here on the side, so you want to make sure that you get it down to this 25 marker on the edge here, which is very easy to do by just sticking your finger in there all the way and it pokes it down to that 25 line. Next, what we're going to do is take the green reagents here, these three. R7, we're going to add 2 drops into the big tube. Next, we're going to swirl it to mix it around. We're going to do 5 drops of R8 into the big tube. And then we're going to swirl it around. And then next, we're going to do R9, but we're gonna count how many drops we add. See how it's a nice solid green color? As we add this, it will turn into a nice solid red color. So how many drops until we get to the nice solid red color? Okay, so we're gonna do 1, 2, you start to see it a little bit, 3, 4, a little bit more, 5, 6, okay, notice how it turns to like a gray color. It's not there yet. 7. Okay, starting to get pink, but still like a little gray in there. So we're gonna do 1 more. 8. Mix around, and then that's a nice solid red coloration. So that was 8 drops, and what we're going to do is just add a 0 to that, and that means that we have an 80 ppm in alkalinity. Now, the range that you typically are going to want in your alkalinity is about 80 to 120 ppm. If you're under, that's going to pull your pH downwards, and you're going to want to usually adjust it. Even if you adjust your pH up, it's just going to bounce it back down if your alkalinity is too low. If your alkalinity is above 120, then it's going to pull your pH upwards typically. And then even if you drop it with muriatic acid, it's just going to bounce straight back up. So alkalinity usually wants to be adjusted before you adjust pH. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next.